Tell me what you want. If you want better results in your life, then this one tip, that's right, just one tip here will help you get better results in your life. Hi, I'm Jeff Broomfield, and I'm a hypnotist. And a lot of people come to me, and I always ask them, what outcome would you like to get from this? And people are great at going on about what they don't want. I want to get over this. I want to stop doing that. And their focus really is on what it is that they don't want. And so when I ask them, well, what is it do you want instead? It kind of stumps a lot of people. And they can't clearly articulate what it is that they want in life. And that is part of the reason why they're getting the results that they're getting, is because they're focused on more of what they don't want. And so the one tip here is to tell me what it is that you want. And when you can get specific and really specific about what it is that you want, and then you can enter that state as if you already have it. So you enter into the vibration, the human emotional vibration of as if you had that thing that you want, then you will attract that into your life. And it's a really, really simple way of looking at the law of attraction. And it is, one, to focus on what you want, and two, to move into the vibration as if you already have that. So that is how you get what you want instead of more of what you don't want. So in order to start getting more results that you like, results that you actually want in your life, then you need to start talking about what it is that you want instead of what you don't want. So the more you can talk about what you want in life, the more of that will come to you. All right, so that's the way that you do it. Make sure that you give me the thumbs up here and subscribe. And also, I've got some links down there so you can check out my website, and as well my Hypnosis for Weight Loss workshop. If you're looking to lose weight, that's one of my products that you can get a hold of on Udemy and also on Mastermind. The links are below. So thanks for tuning in, and until next time, have a good one.